Your RAG isn't hallucinating, it's remembering the wrong year. Fix freshness without sacrificing relevance. This is the pattern you'll be able to implement by the end, which loads recent documents and answers a question by favoring newer evidence. I'm Professor Pi, teaching AI engineering and LLM systems with simple Python. Recency bias is a practical pain. Users ask about recent events, and the model returns older documents that look relevant. The result is confident but wrong answers. In real work, this costs trust and forces constant retraining or large, expensive refreshes. Recency-Boosted Retrieval is a lighter fix. It keeps relevant signals, but nudges ranking toward newer documents, so answers reflect fresh facts. At heart, the idea is simple. We combine lexical matching, dense similarity, and a time decay that favors newer timestamps. Imagine two support articles, one highly similar but 2 years old, and another newer but slightly less similar. A recency boost lets the newer one win when timeliness matters. Strength, better freshness. Weakness, tune the decay, or you overvalue date over content. We will build a tiny pipeline that proves the idea. It uses a local PostgreSQL instance with text search, a small vector column for dense signals, and a decay function that pushes newer rows up the ranking. You will see each step: connectivity, lexical recall, dense similarity, hybrid scoring, and final snippet selection. First, we check the database connection. This snippet checks that a local PostgreSQL instance is reachable using psycopg. The connection string opens a session to the default database. The cursor, created by the with statement, issues a simple select version call to the server. The variable v holds the first word of the returned version string, making the status concise and deterministic. Using psycopg's cursor ensures network I/O and result parsing are handled efficiently. If this step fails, later inserts and searches will not work. The printed PostgreSQL token confirms a healthy round trip to the database, which is essential before building retrieval logic. Next, we load two tiny documents and test lexical search. This example seeds two toy documents and immediately measures lexical recall in PostgreSQL via psycopg. The cursor C first creates a temporary table D with title T, content C, and date DT. Two rows are inserted, one saying replication and one with logical replication, giving us a tiny but realistic corpus. The final select uses two tsvector on the content and a tsquery literal for replication, counting how many rows match. The server executes all statements in one round trip, so we fetch the resulting count directly. The printed hit count shows both rows are retrievable lexically, setting the stage for ranking. Now we add embeddings and run a dense similarity check. This code adds a vector column and performs a dense retrieval using pgvector through psycopg. The column E stores small, handcrafted embeddings for each row, updated with two statements for v2 and v3. The variable qv is a toy query embedding. The select orders rows by cosine similarity, computed as 1 minus the cosine distance operator. True, returning the highest scoring title and its similarity. Since the third dimension in QV is large, V2's embedding aligns better than V3, yielding a higher score. If you lengthen the vector or change QV, similarity and ordering will shift. The printed similarity confirms dense ranking prefers V2. Next, we compute a hybrid score that includes recency. This snippet computes a hybrid score in PostgreSQL using psycopg, mixing lexical hits, dense similarity, and an exponential time decay. The query multiplies a recency factor exp of as of minus dt by a weighted blend, 40% lexical presence and 60% cosine similarity. Here, the as of date is 2025-03-01, and the 60.0 parameter acts like a day scale. Smaller values decay faster, helping newer content win. The vector still favors v2, but the recency term sharply lifts v3 due to its much newer date. Increasing 60 slows decay, tilting results back toward relevance. The printed score shows v3 winning on freshness-adjusted relevance. Finally, we fetch a compact snippet for the prompt. This example finishes a tiny baseline by returning the best context using PostgreSQL via psycopg. The select ranks rows with the same hybrid freshness score as before and fetches a short snippet using substract on the content. The cursor executes once and returns the chosen title and a compact context string suitable for prompt assembly. You can lengthen subster for richer context or tighten the decay scale to increase freshness bias. Both choices affect the returned row and explainability of the score. The printed source and snippet show which document powers the answer and why it reflects the newest accurate evidence. Mapped to a real system, this pattern slots into a retriever component. Keep vectors and text in PostgreSQL if you want tight consistency and easy joins. Use the sub-sentence snippet for prompts to keep token costs low. If you outgrow a single host, move the vector column to an ANN index and keep dates in a fast metadata store. Recap. It is a hybrid ranking that blends lexical, dense, and a time decay. Use it when answers must favor newer evidence without discarding relevance. Caveat. Tune the decay scale carefully, or you will either ignore fresh but noisy items or drown useful older reports. Next step. Tune the decay parameter to match your freshness tolerance. Then, run an A/B test that measures accuracy on recent queries. If short, practical AI engineering helps, subscribe and watch the AI engineering videos.